I just finished restoring this fantastic vintage Karl Griesbaum singing bird cage. And I say vintage because this was made in the 1950s. And to me, antique is anything that's 1930 or older. Excuse me. Everything is original on this cage, except for the cage flooring. It was faded and soiled, and so I replaced it with new premium velvet. Because this cage had all of the existing foliage, the berries, the black forest mushroom, and the bird surprisingly had its feathers intact, I decided to take the extra effort and clean and restore everything rather than replace. So those are the original feathers. Original berries and black forest mushroom. And let's hear it play. It really plays well. The bird sings with full voice. All of the oscillating notes are hit, and the automation is flawless. Notice the tail, the beak, and the head turns as it should. Very strong movement. Turn it off, and then turn it back on. Wonderful vintage Karl Griesbaum singing bird cage in excellent restored condition. Take care.